Hi, welcome back to ColdSE.com. We are going to answer another very common question that we get, especially when talking about the difference between the DTG Viper and the M2, and that is the print speed. One of the best things about the M2 is that it prints so much faster. So we're going to take a simple design on a white shirt, which is a very common application, just like this. We're going to print it out on the Viper first, 2 prints, and then we're going to do the same to the M2. Come closer, we'll get started. Now hit the start button. Just going to come over here and right click on this design. I'm going to hit print and then start the timer. So these 2 prints are done, and as you can see it took just over 2.5 minutes. So once again, one of the most common questions that we get about the DTG printer line from ColdSE, in particular the M2, is how fast is it? Because of course how fast you can print a shirt relates to how much money you can make. So what we're going to do is we're going to print out a simple design on a white shirt, and we are going to check the speed to print out 2 copies. So all I'm going to do now to start the print is I'm going to right click on the design, hit print, and start the timer. So these 2 shirts took 1 minute 15 seconds to print. Okay, so we just completed the speed test, the competition between the DTG Viper and the M2 on the white shirts. And what we found is the M2 is literally twice as fast. The Viper printed out these 2 prints in 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and the M2 printed out the same images, maybe even looking a little bit better, in 1 minute 15 seconds. Twice as fast means you make twice as much money in the same amount of time. If you're interested in the Viper or the M2, just give us a call or click on one of the links below.